Down by 8 ang ating Gilas boys.
And so mission accomplished, no? It's a short-term goal. Halftime we were down by 11, so the next goal was to win the third quarter. We were able to do that, and right now the bigger goal is to win this ball game. Down by 8 in the fourth quarter, within striking distance, very doable. Right now, we need to make big stops and get those rebounds.
Tandaan po natin, kung sa huling 10 minutong to makabalik tayo at manalo, ginto ang iuwi ng Gilas boys natin mula dito sa Jones Cup. Kung hindi naman papala rin, aabangan pa natin magiging resulta ng huling laro mamaya, which features Korea kontra dito sa mga host natin na Chinese Taipei, yung Team A nila.
Oo, tama. Kaya nga medyo marami na yung tao dito sa venue anticipating the match of the home team. Last day of competition na dito sa Jones Cup.
Korea still in the running para makatabla doon sa 6-2. Ang Chinese Taipei out na, pero home team nila at bitter rivals din nila yung Korea.
Tama yan.
Hindi rin nila pagbibigyan yun. 59-51 ang nasa ating talaan, Richard. USA will have possession to open this final frame. Double team right away. They go to Barnes. Arnold from the perimeter. Three-pointer, no good. Rebound, USA. Douthit clears it finally. Tatakbo mga Pilipino.
Lucky break for us there. At he had the inside position of that offensive rebound.
Tenorio came on strong late in the third quarter. Can he continue here? Pull-up jumper.
Yes!
18-footer is good!
Ito na, unti-unti na tayo lumalapit dito. Two-possession ball game lamang.
6 na lamang, 11 na para dito kay LA Tenorio. Here comes the USA. Good chance of defense. Tenorio, Funershare takes it away. Tenorio with a slap. Tenorio nagantay muna ng rest back. Will pull up for a three.
Oh! Big three by LA!
LA Tenorio carrying the Philippines on his shoulders right now. Baba sa tatlo ang abante ng Estados Unidos.
And right now, USA confused on how to defend that single high screen. LA Tenorio confusing the Americans here. A big basket, only down by 3. 9 minutes pa natitira sa laban na ito.
59-56. The Americans look shell-shocked at this point, Richard. Tignan ulit natin yung mga napakagandang ginawa ni Teniente Tenorio.
Tignan nyo, defense going under the screen. LA taking advantage, recognizing that. Hitting this big three-point shot. Giving USA just a 3-point lead.
LA Tenorio with the last 7 Philippine points, bridging the third and fourth quarters, cutting this USA lead to just 3 points. Ibang klase pinakikitang puso dito ni Luis Alfred Tenorio.
And finally, we had a hot start. First time in this game. In all the quarters, medyo malamya yung start natin. And right now, USA feeling the pressure. And it's harder to shoot once you're pressured. At yun ang binigay natin ngayon dito sa USA. Well, let's see how they will react.
Funershare gives up the foul on a driving Wayne Arnold. Justice kayo tatanggap ng bola. Tenorio bantay niya. James Justice pulls up for a three. No, Douthit with a rebound. LA na naman ang didiskarte para dito sa Gilas. Pasa niya natapik. Funershare picks it up. Larry to the corner. Gabe for three.
Yes!
Tabla na ang ating labanan. 59-0. What a run by Gilas Pilipinas. The Americans starting to feel the pressure. Pull-up jumper. Nope. Douthit with another rebound.
Eto na, panlamang na natin. Ball is in our hands.
Tenorio kontra Justice. Bibigyan ng pick ni Douthit. LA with some separation. LA on the run.
Yes! LA Tenorio, smallest guy on the floor for Team Philippines, but showing the biggest heart so far.
Justice gustong bumawi. Bumps into Douthit. Justice crashes to the floor. Second team foul yan ng Pilipinas dito sa fourth and final quarter as we take another look at that Tenorio move on the run. What a performance here by LA.
Philippines giving USA headaches on that single high screen.
61-59. Gilas looking for a stop. Marshall leans in, huli ka.
blocked by
natin
Norwood.
inabot. Traffic doon sa loob, pero itong si Marshall finds a way. Or rather, Dearman.
We're hoping to see LA has enough gas in his tank to finish this game.
Douthit asking for that leather. Norwood to Douthit on the roll. Marcus is fouled.
Great read right now. Team Pilipinas just going to the pick and roll offense. And right now, USA doesn't know what to do, if they'll go under, if they'll go show on the shooter. And right now, we just have to recognize that and give the ball to the open man. This time, si Marcus Douthit yung nalibre.
Double-double na. Para dito kay Big Daddy Douthit. Minalas lang doon sa una.
Ayun, dinasalan ko na yung pangalawang free throw na yon. At buti na lang pumasok.
Buti na lang, malakas ka.
Kaya tumahimik ako eh.
Buti na lang, malakas ka doon sa nasa taas.
Ayun.
The Americans looking to snatch back the lead. Wala nang 7 minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Marshall kicks it back out. Justice will not be denied.
I mean, this guy really showing some guts. Right now, look at him sticking closely to LA Tenorio. Talagang inaasawa na niya itong si LA.
Sticky defense, ginagamit ni James Justice doon. Ayaw na paporma yun o patanggapin man lang
Marcus
sa
has
LA
to
Tenorio.
roll.
Fonacier on the move!
Right now, everybody contributing here para sa Team Pilipinas.
Justice, sinalubong ni Douthit, nowhere to go.
Got to tap the ball once it's on the floor.
Na-recover pa na itong mga Amerikano. Barnes kicks it over.
6 seconds to shoot.
3-pointer on the way.
Oh, big basket there for USA.
Big 3 by Arnold gives him a 2-point lead. Wala nang 6 na minuto natitira sa bakbakan na ito. Douthit looking for Larry. LA na lang daw ang gusto niyang puntahan. Now they go to Chan.
Nice fake by Jeff.
Chan all the way is fouled.
Kasi lahat ngayon naka-extend out na talaga yung defense ng USA. So you have to take advantage of the momentum of the defender trying to close out on the shooters and really attack and see the driving lane once it's open.
Timeout requested here. 66-64 ang Estados Unidos. Abante lamang ng 2 puntos. May 2 free throw para kay Chan sa aming pagbabalik.
With that pick and roll and take advantage dahil buong confused itong depensa ng USA. Although Jeff Chan, sorry missed that time. LA Tenorio, pinagpahinga muna. Baka sakali makakalimutan ng USA pagbalik niya.
Sol Mercado ibinalik muna as Jeff Chan lines up his second. He's got 18 points in total in this game. Isa ang abante ng Amerika. 5:35 natitira. Gilas Pilipinas looking for a stop. Fonacier holding his own sa pagkakataon na yun. Spin into the lane. Mintis para dito kay Dearman. Fonacier picks it up. Mercado to Chan. Mag-aantay muna ng respa.
Oo. There's the ball screen.
Jeff to Douthit. Kicks it over. 3-pointer on the way.
Yes! What confidence of Gabe Norwood on Larry Fonacier.
The baby-faced assassin has done it again. Lamang na ng 2 ang Pilipinas. Marshall with a pull-up from the elbow. Tabla na naman tayo.
Great guts and composure being shown by both squads.
Chan ang nagtawid, dinala kay Mercado bola. 4:35 natitira sa ating orasan. Mercado through a Douthit pick. Solomon stomping on his tracks. Douthit has to put it up.
Oh,
Gets the rattle. Sinwerte pa dun.
Tumatawag ng 3-second call yung coach ng kalaban. Mabuti na lang, mas kamukha natin itong mga referee.
Hindi, wala si 3-second rep ngayon dyan.
Ha? Wala nga.
Absent. 70-68. USA down by 2. Natapikan ng bola. Shot clock is at 9. Justice looking to dance with Mercado. Solomon sticking
They
with
gotta
him.
get steady and contain your man.
3 more seconds of defense. Pull-up jumper. No
Gotta get
on
this
the bailout.
rebound.
Running out of space. Gilas Pilipinas will have possession.
Good break there for Team Pilipinas.
3:53 natitira sa larong ito. Gilas Pilipinas looking to slap on a bigger lead than 2. Norwood, si Douthit mukhang pagod na, nakahawak na sa kanyang tuhod. We'll go pick and roll. Norwood with a pull-up. No go, no rebounders that time.
Sprint back. Kasi nga, sabi mo nga, medyo nakakaramdam na ng pagod si Marcus Douthit.
Look
Hindi
at
na
him
siya
battle.
nag-roll towards the basket.
Look at him battle underneath. Kiskisan sa pwestuhan. Now they go to Dearman. Pagod na nga si Marcus dito.
Pagod na siya. Naatrasan na siya doon and wasn't able to put a hand up to challenge that shot. But you can't put him out of the game right now with 3 minutes left.
Si Douthit ngayon palang tatawid ng half-court line. Norwood has to get them going. Chan with 12 to work with. Jeff Chan finding Norwood underneath. Is fouled.
Ang kailangan ngayon ng mga ibang players natin to try